Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are a Spotify premium user and suddenly find that your premium features aren't working properly, whether it is ads playing, no offline access, or the inability to skip the songs, it can be really frustrating. So you are paying for a service to enjoy an uninterrupted experience, but when things go wrong, it is very easy to feel stuck. But don't worry, in today's video I will show you some of the easy fixes for Spotify Premium not working on your device. So whether you are dealing with login issues, billing problems, or just some technical glitches, these simple solutions should help get your premium feature back up and running in no time. Now before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links of all the resources mentioned in this video down in the description box below. Now without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in our first method, you need to simply check for your subscription status. This is the first thing that you should do when Spotify Premium isn't working, is to simply check if your subscription is active or up to date. It may sound basic, but sometimes billing issues or an expired subscription can cause problem. So here is how you can check it. First of all, you need to open your Spotify mobile application and then log in into your account. Over here, tap on your profile icon in the top left hand corner of the screen and then go to settings and privacy. In your settings and privacy, it will show you which account you are using. As you can see that currently I have free account, and if your account is showing free, it simply means that your subscription is expired. So you need to tap on Go Premium and you need to follow further on-screen instructions in order to actually apply for Spotify Premium again, and you can continue with your subscription. Now if as I said earlier, you need to just renew it and you will be able to start using the premium feature very easily. If you see that your premium subscription is intact, there is no problem with the subscription, you can try this second method in which you can just log out and log back into your account. So sometimes a simple login can actually refresh and solve a lot of issues. Logging out and logging back in to your Spotify account can actually help reset your premium features, and here is what you need to do. First of all, you need to launch your Spotify mobile application and then you just have to again tap on your profile icon in the top left hand corner of the screen. Over here you will see the settings and privacy, so you just have to tap on settings and privacy. In your settings, you just have to scroll all the way down and here you will see the option of log out. So you need to tap on log out and you will be log yourself out from the Spotify application. Then you will be landed on the home page of Spotify. You just have to come out of your Spotify application completely. You just have to remove it from the background. Then you need to reopen the application and log back in your account by providing your login credentials, and this is actually going to help you in refreshing your account session, and it often solves small bugs that could be preventing your premium feature from working. Now in the third method, you can clear the cache files and your data. So if you are using the Spotify application on your mobile device, sometimes clearing the app cache and data might help with the fixing of the issues. Over time, the app can accumulate data that can cause problems with playback or premium features. So in order to do that, you just have to come out of your Spotify application completely. Then you need to long press on the Spotify icon and tap on this eye icon. Then you will be landed in your app info where you will see a bunch of different options here, but do not get overwhelmed because the clear cache option is right here. You will be able to see clear data in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So tap on clear data, then tap on clear cache and then press OK. Now depending on your device, sometimes you are not able to find clear data option in the bottom right hand corner. If that's the case with your device, you need to just go into the storage and most probably you will be able to find the clear cache and the clear data option here. So first you will have to clear cache and then press OK, and after clearing the cache, you need to launch your Spotify application and see if it is working properly or not. If you see that the issue is still there, you need to tap on the clear data, and this time you need to clear all the data. Here you need to note that you will be logged out of your account if you select clear all data option, but that's also a part of the refreshment, so you can just do that. You can even check for the Spotify updates, because sometimes we are using outdated version of Spotify and that can also cause a lot of problems. So you can go to Spotify, your Google Play Store or App Store, and here in the search bar you can search for Spotify. If you see any update here, simply update your application and tap on the open option and see if the issue is fixed or if it is still there. So with the help of these few methods, you will be able to definitely fix the Spotify Premium not working in your device. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button, subscribe for more troubleshooting tips, and leave a comment below if you are still having the issues or need more help. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.